Here I am going to discuss about principle of cancer. Then I will highlight the points like definition, classification, etiology, signs and symptoms, pathophysiology, and management of cancer. Then definition of cancer. Everyone know what is the meaning of cancer. In cancer what happen? Uncontrolled cell division is there, or you can say abnormal cell division and cell growth. You can see cancerous difference between normal cells and cancerous cell. Cell division will be more in cancerous cell than normal cell. Size and shapes of the cancerous cell will be different than normal cell. Again, nucleus size will be larger in cancer cell than normal cell. Again, number of chromosomes will be more in cancer cell than normal cell. You have to know the etiology of cancer. Main etiology of cancer is chemical agent, ionizing radiation, toxic compounds, exposure, some pathogen, tobacco smoking, genetic predisposition, family history, environmental factors, diet and physical activity. Some signs and symptoms of cancer are weight loss, pain, fatigue, skin changes, unusual bleeding, persistent cough, fever. Then types of cancer. Cancer is present in two forms. One is benign form, another is metastasis form. Benign form location will be in a specific area, and metastasis form is present in different sides of the body. And you can say here some types of cancer like carcinoma, sarcoma, lymphoma, leukemia, germ cell tumor, blastoma is there. Carcinoma means cancer is present in epithelial cells present in breast, prostate, lung, pancreas and colon. Sarcoma is cancer derived from connective tissues like bone, cartilage, fat. Lymphoma and leukemia. Cancer arises from hematopoietic cells. Hematopoietic means blood forming cells. Germ cell tumor. Cancer derived from pluripotent cells. Blastoma. Cancers are derived from immature precursor cells or embryonic tissues. Next, here you know cell cycle. There are 5 phases is there in cell cycle. First one is G0 phase, S phase, G2 phase, M phase and G1 phase. In G0 phase means resting phase. Here cell division is not there. S phase is synthetic phase. In S phase DNA synthesis takes place and cellular DNA is duplicated in preparation for cellular division. And time extend in S phase will be 18 to 30 hours. And G2 phase is known as pre-mitotic phase. Here cells gets ready to start division, and in G2 phase protein, RNA, mitotic spindles are produced. Next, M phase is mitotic phase. In this phase which lasts only 30 to 60 minutes, and the cell is dividing into two new cells. Means in M phase new cells, two new daughter cells is formed from mother cells. In G1 phase also known as pre-synthetic phase, that cell starts to produce protein and enzymes necessary for DNA synthesis. During this phase RNA synthesis occur, and this phase lasts about 18 to 30 hours. In this cell cycle phase you have to remember the specific name of that phase. Means G0 phase is known as, S phase is known as, G2 phase, M phase, G1 phase. Name of these phases you have to remember. It is important for MCQs. Phase dependent. Some drugs is there which will inhibit a specific phase or a specific phase of the cell cycle, like vinca alkaloids and taxane is there. You will get the pharmacological classification of anti-cancer drug. You will get in this type of drug, vinca alkaloids, taxanes. These vinca alkaloid and taxanes inhibit M phase of cell cycle. And again anti-metabolites inhibits S phase of cell cycle. corticosteroids inhibit G1 phase of cell cycle, and G2 phase, antibiotics inhibit G2 phase of cell cycle. These are the specific drugs which inhibit specific. You have to know the pathophysiology of cancer. Main funda of cancer will be mutation of gene. In our body, tumor suppressor gene is present. But what happens in case of cancer? There will be mutation in tumor suppressor gene that leads to this mutation will inactivate the tumor suppressor gene, which have ability to suppress cancer cell division. Next, it will lead to cell proliferation. Again, mutation takes place DNA repair gene. This also leads to cell proliferation. Again, mutation takes place in proto-oncogenes, which creates an oncogene. This mutation leads to ultimately main goal of that mutation will be increased cell division. If there is abnormal cell growth or cell division, it leads to cancer. Management of cancer. And in management of cancer, different types of drugs is used for the treatment of cancer. Here you can see taxanes and some miscellaneous drug. Some immunotherapeutic agent is used for the treatment of cancer, like levamisole, interferon, BCG vaccine. You know BCG vaccine is used for the treatment of tuberculosis. Here mechanism of action is there and clinical uses, specific uses of that. Suppose levamisole is one of the immunomodulator. In exam you will get MCQs like this. Levamisole is a immunomodulator, anti-cancer drug, or immunosuppressing agent, none of the above. You have to select the specific or correct one, immunomodulator. Some target therapy is there, like small molecules, erlotinib, gefitinib. This is used for the treatment of cancer. And monoclonal antibodies is there, like rituximab, cetuximab. This is used for the treatment of breast cancer. Specific target therapy means for breast cancer specific drugs is used. This, and for lung cancer specific drug is used. Means target. Hormonal therapy is there for treatment of cancer, like anti-androgen flutamide is used for the treatment of prostate cancer. Anti-estrogen tamoxifen used for breast cancer, and selective aromatase inhibitors anastrozole used for breast cancer. Then progestins used for breast and endometrial cancer, like corticosteroids used for breast cancer. These are the hormones. Here some anti-cancer drug is there along with mechanism of action. You can see this. I have discussed some MCQs question along with broad question. In exam you may get questions like this: what are the different class of cancer, and write the etiology and pathophysiology of cancer. This may be 5 or 7 marks question. Exam cancer chemotherapy of cancer or drug classification of cancer is very, very important. You may get 4 marks question. Here some MCQs like: cancer is the result of uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells anywhere in the body. It is true or false? Again, how many types of cancer are there? You have to choose the correct answer. Again, third, across the globe, what is the most common type of cancer that kills men? Specifically, they ask men. It is like some immunotherapeutic agent is used for the treatment of cancer, like levamisole, interferon, BCG vaccine. You know BCG vaccine is used for the treatment of tuberculosis. Here mechanism of action is there and clinical uses, specific uses of that. Suppose Levamisole is one of the immunomodulator. In exam you will get MCQs like this. Levamisole is a immunomodulator, anti-cancer drug, or immunosuppressing agent, none of the above. You have to select the specific or correct one, immunomodulator. Also you will get 10 number question. Name the cells which lost their control of regulation, division, differentiation and apoptosis. Means you have to tell the name of that cell which lost their control of regulated divisions, differentiation and apoptosis, that is tumor cell. Name of the process by which a malignant cell is spread throughout the normal cell, that is invasiveness. You have to know, say the process by which a malignant cell is spread throughout the normal cell, that is invasiveness. What is the origin of the cancerous cell? Monoclonal cell. Which of the following is the characteristics of a cancer cell? You have to choose the characteristics of the cancer cell, that is density dependent inhibition, contact inhibition, loss of anchorage dependence or apoptosis. C1 will be the correct answer. And name the gene which directly inhibits cell growth and promote the cell death. You have to gatekeeper cell genes, this one. If DNA is damaged, which one of the following gene arrests cell cycle? RB, P53 or P16 or head-Gehog receptor. You have to mention the correct one. Here total I have discussed about 17 MCQs, and lots of MCQs will be available in online. You can search that, but MCQs will be very, very important for any competitive exam. Your exam. Thank you.